Welcome back, and in this video we are going to discuss about third method to swap two number without using a third variable. And here also we are going to use a arithmetic logic. So let's say we have two number a and b, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now here we will use the multiplication and division. So let's say first we will update a multiplied by b. So the a multiplied by b, the result will be 200. Now we will use a division. So here you will get hint that if you will divide the value of a by this b, so 200 divided by 20 will be what? 10. So now you can write that b equal to a divided by b. So 200 divided by 20, which is now 10. Now similarly, to get the value of a, what we need to do is we need to divide this a value, that is 200, by the b. So you will get a equal to 20. So this is the simple logic. Now let's quickly write the program and test it. So now we will first write a prototype, which will be the copy of this. So I will say method 3, and the function will be also similar to this, but instead of addition and subtraction, we will have the multiplication and the division. So I will do multiplication, division and division, right? And that's it. What we need to do, we need to call this function. So we will call swap method 3. As argument, we will pass the address of a and b. So that's it. So after this, we are expecting that a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. Let's run the program. Okay, I think I forgot to change the name. So here we need to write down 3. Okay, now let's run this. Yes, so a equal to 20, b equal to 10. In the next video, I am going to tell you about another important method to swap two variables. Thank you so much.